front of it looks like it's melting the center out of it. Yep. She is fucked. Fucked. You can see the smoke coming off today. They was smoking a hell of a lot worse a few minutes ago. And see all the melted material down there. And then that right there, it melted the nylon right out of the fucking lock washer on it. Yeah, you can see it right there. It's melting the other material out of it too. That just blew up in my face. Ah, shit. What it did is it snapped the belt because it's so damn hot. Holy shit.